Welcome back. Today, we're diving into SUPRA Coin and whether it's time to sell or hold. The price has dropped significantly, currently trading at $0.008, and many holders are wondering what comes next. The market cap has dropped to $71 million, and the trading volume sits at $12 million. Losing the critical support at $0.087 was a major bearish signal, and now we're seeing increased volatility. If it fails to reclaim the $0.086 level, there's a high chance of further downside. Looking at the charts, there's no strong support level holding SUPRA up right now. The next major zone is around $0.005 to $0.006, where we could see another accumulation phase. If selling pressure continues, a free fall could happen, pushing the price even lower. However, for long-term holders, this could be an opportunity. If SUPRA can regain momentum and break back above $0.010, we might see a slow recovery. A strong community and potential developments in the project could play a key role in turning things around. As always, do your own research before making any trading decisions. What do you think? ***, will SUPRA bounce back or keep falling? Let me know in the comments. Like the video if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more crypto updates. See you next time.